Welcome to this detailed factory tour. Today, we will see how toilet paper is made in a large factory. Toilet paper is a simple product, but the process to make it is very interesting. We will watch every step from raw material to final packing. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this full manufacturing process. Toilet paper is made from two main materials: fresh wood pulp or recycled paper. Big trucks bring wood logs to the factory. Sometimes used paper is also brought for recycling. The wood is cut into small pieces called wood chips. These wood chips are sent to the pulping machine. In this machine, wood chips are mixed with water and chemicals. The mixture is heated and crushed. This process breaks the wood into soft fibers. Now it looks like a thick soup. This is called pulp. The pulp is washed many times to remove dirt and unwanted materials. The pulp is cleaned carefully. It is then bleached to make it white and soft. This step is very important for hygiene. After bleaching, the pulp becomes clean, white, and ready for paper making. The clean pulp is sent to a huge paper making machine. The pulp flows on a moving wire screen. Water drains out slowly. The fibers start joining together to form a thin sheet. This wet sheet moves forward on rollers. Now the wet paper sheet goes through large heated rollers. These rollers dry the sheet completely. The paper becomes soft and dry. It is now ready to be rolled. The dry paper sheet is rolled into very big rolls. These are called jumbo rolls. Each jumbo roll is very large and heavy. These rolls will later be cut into small toilet paper rolls. The jumbo roll is placed into a cutting machine. The machine cuts and rolls the paper into small rolls. Each roll has a cardboard tube in the center. The paper is rolled tightly and evenly. Now, the rolls pass through embossing rollers. These rollers create soft patterns on the paper. Small dotted lines are added. These lines help the paper tear easily. Each roll is checked by machines and workers. They check the length, softness, and thickness. Only perfect rolls move to the packing section. The toilet paper rolls are wrapped in plastic packs. Some packs have 4 rolls, some 6, some 12. The packs are sealed and labeled. Packed toilet paper is placed in boxes. Boxes are stored in a large warehouse. From here, trucks take them to shops and supermarkets. This is how toilet paper is made in a modern factory. Simple product made with a detailed process. Thank you for watching this factory tour. We hope you enjoyed learning something new today.